Hello, welcome to my channel Kids Paradise with PG. Let's see 30 bird names. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Crow. This is a crow. Color of crow is black. Parrot. This is a parrot. Parrot eats guavas and chilies. Pigeon. These are pigeons. Pigeons eat grains. Peacock. This is a beautiful peacock. Peacock dances in rain. Dove. This is a beautiful dove, white color. This is a macaw. Macaw is colorful in color. Owl. This is a owl. Duck. This is a duck swimming in the pond. Swan. These are beautiful white swans swimming in the water. Canary. This is a beautiful bird, canary, making its nest. Hen. This is a hen. Ostrich. This is a ostrich. This is one of the largest bird. It has a long neck. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. Eagle. This is a eagle. Pelican. These are pelicans. It has a long beak to catch fishes and prey. Hummingbird. This is a hummingbird which is feeding. Flamingo. These are beautiful flamingo birds. They have a long neck. They are in white in color and pink in color. Vulture. This is a vulture. It flies high in the sky. Rooster. These are roosters. Kingfisher. This is a beautiful kingfisher bird. Nightingale. This is a beautiful nightingale which sings beautifully. Hornbill. This is a hornbill which has a very long and big beak. Penguin. These are beautiful penguins walking at the seashore. Toucan. This is a toucan which has a beautiful yellow-orange beak which is very long. Goose. This is a goose flying in water. Crane. These are beautiful white birds, cranes. Quail. This is a quail. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.